I do. 'Cause this year my life and I'm living it. And tell me what you think is cool. Fuck your moves, I don't care what you do, babe.
Yo, what's good? It's your boy Cgnature back again with another video, man. And today I want to show you a quick basic method of how to get your VSTs or your sounds sounding larger than life and more epic. And although this method is very basic, I feel it's very effective for what it does. So stay tuned, watch the video, and if you like it, thumbs it up, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and make sure you never miss any content that I post. Let's get to it. Alright, so let me open up the brass, let me unmute. Let's listen to the instruments. Okay. Now let me unmute the bass. I just love how rugged it sounds, okay? The choir. And now the solo R vocal. Okay. And now the last layer of a choir. Beautiful. Okay, so let's go to the keys. Let me show you the notes. There we go. So this is pretty much the pattern of the bass. We're on the 4th octave. So this is it, and then now we'll go, let me show you the one of the bass. Here we go. So you can pretty much see that everything is similar here. I just EQ'd it a bit differently. Let's go on the mixer channel of the bass, and I added a distortion here to really make it poke out and bring forth a lot of those upper harmonics. So this is it. However, before the distortion, I added an EQ here. So don't let the curve scare you or maybe trick you out. Just remember that the order of effects in the chain really does matter. That's why I started with the EQ, then I ended with the distortion. Okay. So I'll show you that. You can see I'm pretty much cutting everything from the lows and the highs, leaving everything in the middle, then bringing forth the distortion. Now let me show you. Hold on, there we go. So you can pretty much see that the order is very important. If I put the distortion before the EQ, it doesn't work nice. In fact, it might clash with the bass. Let me show you. So they're really fighting for attention there. So if I swap, you see, you get to hear the brass and you still get that distortion from the bass. So everything is living happily and just not clashing. Again, that's with the distortion off. Now on. This thing, hold on, let me fix this. Okay. Right, and then moving on to the choir. This is the choir here. Now with this, you can see I've pretty much played from the 4th, 5th, and the 6th octave, but I still didn't like how it was sounding. Let me turn it back on. Hence, I added the other layers. So it does make a difference splitting them up into 3 octaves or 3 tones. However, it was missing something, like it was not rich enough for me. It was not sounding as epic. Right, let's strum it a bit. Yeah. Okay, let's follow up with the solo vocal. This is it here. So it's only on the 5th. So again, we're not changing anything, we're just picking different harmonies to accentuate them a bit more. Okay, let's also strum. I just shifted. Hold on. Good. Okay, all three. Okay, and then we did the same thing with the keys here. This is, hold on, this is with FL keys. So again, same melody, maybe a bit of different tonality, but it's playing the same thing, right? Just with layering, we're bringing out different tones and different excitement into the whole sound. Then this, just to add a bit of ambience, I created this white noise using Silent 1. I'm currently working on a sound bank, and hopefully I'll drop it for free on the channel as soon as I'm done with it, maybe when we hit around 50 to 100 subscribers. So this is it. I've already created a bunch of sounds. In fact, this is, so you can pretty much see here, it's maybe more than 20, I think. So it's almost done. I'll let you know when I drop it for free. So yeah, so this is just white noise to create a bit of movement, a bit of ambience into the whole song. Then so something that I don't really see it being done a lot is layering 808s. So these are two differently sounding 808s stacked together. Right, this is them both. So the one on the top is the one full of distortion, the one below is the one full of low end. And then to make sure that they don't clash again, you can also make sure on the cut here, you cut both of them on the same cut by number, so they're both on 3x3. Okay, I hope you liked the video, and if you'd like to see me get into depth on such a topic, let me know and I'll cover it on the next video. Otherwise, man, enjoy the beat and catch you next time. Your boy Cgnature signing out. Peace.